Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace air suspension on a Lincoln Navigator. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Before you begin, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shorts. Having all your tools ready, like a sturdy floor jack, a complete socket set, and new air struts, will make the process much smoother. Safety is paramount, so always use reliable jack stands to support the vehicle securely. Once your Navigator is safely elevated and the wheel is off, you'll have clear access to the air suspension components. Carefully locate the air line and the electrical connector attached to the air strut. Disconnect both of these, being gentle to avoid damaging the fittings. Next, you'll need to unbolt the upper mounting fasteners from the strut tower and the lower mounting bolts from the control arm. Keep track of all hardware for reinstallation. With the old air strut disconnected, you can now carefully remove it from the vehicle. Take your new air strut and gently guide it into position, ensuring the upper and lower mounting holes align perfectly. Once aligned, reinsert all the mounting bolts and hand tighten them. It's crucial to then use a torque wrench to tighten all fasteners to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for proper function and safety. This ensures a secure and reliable installation. After the new strut is securely in place, reconnect the air line and the electrical connector. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. Now, reinstall the wheel, carefully lower your Lincoln Navigator, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the vehicle and allow the air suspension system to pressurize and level. Take it for a short test drive to confirm proper operation and ride height. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your newly refreshed suspension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.